In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a dropshipping website with Hostinger step by step. If you want to start an online store without holding inventory, dropshipping is one of the easiest ways to begin. And the best part is that Hostinger makes the entire process incredibly simple, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional dropshipping website ready to accept orders. We'll go from setting up your website, installing the right tools, importing products, and preparing your store for launch. So if you want to create your own online store and start selling products today, keep watching. And if you find this tutorial helpful at any point, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech and business tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is log into your Hostinger dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Website section. From here, click on Add Website. Hostinger will ask what type of website you want to create. To build a dropshipping store, select WordPress. WordPress is one of the most popular website platforms in the world, and it gives you full control over your online store. After selecting WordPress, you'll be asked to create login details for your WordPress account. Choose a secure email and password that you will use later to access your website's admin dashboard. Next, Hostinger will guide you through the website setup process. You'll be able to choose a template for your site. Since we are creating an online store, it's best to select a business or e-commerce template. These templates are already designed for selling products, so they save you a lot of time with design and layout. Once you choose your template, Hostinger will automatically start preparing your website. This usually takes just a minute or two, and when it's finished, your WordPress site will be ready. After the installation is complete, the next important step is installing the tools needed for dropshipping. During the setup process, Hostinger will allow you to search for and install plugins. Plugins add extra features to your website. The first plugin you should install is an e-commerce plugin like WooCommerce. WooCommerce is what turns your WordPress website into a fully functional online store, where customers can browse products, add items to their cart, and complete purchases securely. Once WooCommerce is installed, your site now has the foundation of an online store. Now we need a dropshipping plugin. Search for a dropshipping tool such as Importify. Plugins like Importify allow you to connect your store with suppliers and import products directly into your website. This means you don't need to store inventory yourself. When a customer buys a product from your site, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. After installing the dropshipping plugin, you can start browsing supplier products and importing them into your store. Once your plugins are installed, it's time to add products to your website. Using your dropshipping plugin, you can import products along with their images, titles, and descriptions from suppliers. After importing them, it's a good idea to edit the product pages so they match your brand. You can improve the product descriptions, adjust the pricing, and upload better product images if needed. This step helps your store look more professional and trustworthy to customers. Next, you need to configure your payment gateways and shipping settings. In WooCommerce settings, you can connect payment methods like Stripe, PayPal, or credit card payments so customers can pay you securely. Then configure your shipping rules depending on where your suppliers deliver. Many dropshipping stores offer free shipping or calculated shipping depending on the supplier and region. Finally, connect your domain name to your website if you haven't already done so. Your domain is the address people will use to visit your store. Once your domain is connected and your products are added, review your website to make sure everything looks correct. When you're ready, publish your website and your dropshipping store will officially be live and ready for customers. And that's how to build a dropshipping website with Hostinger step by step. As you can see, the process is much easier than most people think, and you can launch a professional online store without needing advanced technical skills. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.